Mother Nature can show her fury in a variety of ways. The unpredictability of our weather makes it one of the scariest parts of living on Earth. The strangest weather occurrences in history. Thunder snow. It sounds like the name of a superhero, but it was a real weather phenomenon in 2011 stretching from New York to Washington, D.C., where people saw not only snow fall to the ground, but thunder and lightning as well. Thunder and lightning is formed from warmer air, which makes thunder snow so rare. Usually this occurrence indicates that there will be heavier snowfall ahead. Milky rain. Rain usually comes down as glorious, clear water, but the Pacific Northwest got something rather different in February of 2015. A milky rain left a dirty residue all over the eastern part of Washington, northeast Oregon, and the Idaho Panhandle. The mystery was eventually solved when the origin of the rainstorm picked up dirt from a shallow lake several hundred miles away. Antarctica heat. Antarctica is known for being one of the coldest places in the world. Just thinking of the name alone makes people associate it with ice and snow. But on March 23, 2015, Antarctica reached a high heat of 63.5 degrees Fahrenheit, which can obviously cause snow and ice to melt. Blame it on global warming or just a weird set of circumstances. Twin tornadoes. Even though they were seen in the movie Twister, twin tornadoes only happen once every 10 to 20 years. The town of Pilger, Nebraska experienced this strange occurrence in 2014, which injured 19 people and killed a child. Scientists have had a hard time determining what causes twin tornadoes, but it is believed that when one tornado is too powerful, the energy spawns off and creates a second tornado. Snow in SoCal? In January of 2015, the city of Temecula, California saw snow. While it's not uncommon to have snow in the nearby mountains, rarely does the white powder survive below 1,200 feet. So, the people in Riverside County, which usually is warmer than the rest of Southern California, were quite shocked to see several inches of snow on the ground. The cause? A cold storm from Canada. Tornado in Alaska. Alaska is known for many things, especially 24-hour darkness and snow. But in 2005, Alaska reported its first ever tornado over Unga Island and could be seen from the town of Sand Point. The town has a population of over 900 people, and you can bet they were all a little bit worried to see this strange weather occurrence. Inversion clouds. Tourists at the Grand Canyon were alarmed to see that the vast canyon was filling up with fog in 2013. The phenomenon started in November around Thanksgiving, and then the inversion returned in December. The inversion phenomenon was a once-in-a-lifetime occurrence and is caused when cold air stays trapped below while warm air moves above. So cool. The year without a summer. The year of 1816 is known as the year without a summer, and essentially parts of the world never warmed up. Places like North America and Europe experienced extensive crop damage from the cold, caused by the 1815 eruption of Mount Tambora in the Dutch East Indies. The year was also known as the year of poverty, as farmers and consumers alike faced starvation from the issues that the cold caused. The North American ice storm. In January of 2007, a severe ice storm affected a large part of North America from Canada all the way down to the Carolinas. The storm started on January 11th and didn't end until January 24th while affecting various parts of the continent. 74 deaths occurred across the United States and thousands were left without power in both Canada and the US. Snow. Snow everywhere. In January of 2011, 49 out of the 50 states reported having snow. The only state that didn't get any snow was surprisingly Florida. So that means that even Hawaii was seeing some snow in their island life. Even states in the South were shocked to find that there was snow on the ground and sending the southern states into a near apocalypse-like chaos. It's important to always take a step back and remember how dangerous our world is. Here's some other videos we think you might find interesting, and please don't forget to click subscribe and like. Thanks.